In the quiet town of Willowbrook, excitement tickled the air. A gathering was whispered among the stars. The paper Airplane Society awaited under the moon's gentle watch. Young creators shared vibrant papers, eager to transform dreams into flight. Laughter carried like soft melodies as they crafted their treasures. Folds became wings, ambition took shape. A gleaming airplane was born, ready to kiss the sky. Hope sparkled in the creators' eyes. Suddenly, a plane broke free. It flew higher and higher, a streak of brilliance against the night. Gasps filled the air. Awe embraced the moment. But envy brewed in a rival's heart. "I will outshine that star," the determined one declared. The race for glory had ignited a fierce fire. Schemes unfolded in whispers, craft turned conflict tarnished the joyful air. Plans crumpled by mischief left creators stunned and bewildered. Then came the origami master, his presence soothing like a spring breeze. "Imagine together," he urged, "and let creativity soar." With new resolve, ideas sparked like fireflies. They combined their thoughts, laughter bubbling, wings of fresh creativity took shape. A masterpiece glided through the night. Colors danced, and joy radiated. They marveled at the beauty they had created together. The air crackled with delight. Rivalry faded like morning mist, leaving only camaraderie to shine under the moon's gaze. Cheers and laughter erupted, echoing down the streets. They celebrated not just flying high, but the magic of friendship. As the night waned, connections deepened, tales exchanged, and dreams dared to rise together. Willowbrook witnessed the birth of a new adventure.